Okay, partners, let's get connected. Guys, in this part of this video, I want you guys to pay special attention to the capture page share code, which is here in red, and two bonus ones, by the way, down here in red, and your bridge page share code, which is in black. So right now in this video, I want you guys to pay special attention to this share code and this share code, okay, guys? Because this is how we're going to take our lead capture page for our directory, our list building directory, our automated marketing list building directory, and connect it to the actual page that you're on right now, which is the actual VSL, the page that does all the explaining, training, and passing this on to our new team members, guys. So now that you're familiar with both of those share codes, the one at the very top right here and this one, what I want you guys to do is go inside of your Leads Leak members area, right? And go to the very top of the page where it says your dashboard. You want to make sure you're on your dashboard. Now, once you are, I want you guys to scroll down to the actual page builder tab right here and go to the green page manager button. Hit that button and it's going to take you over to another page. And this is where we're going to create the pages we need so that we can populate both that lead capture page and that bridge page into our Leads Leak members area. Okay, so we're going to go simply up here to create a new campaign. And like always, I'm going to call it capture. I'm just going to call it capture page test. Okay, it's the capture page test. I already have the capture page inside my Leads Leak members area, but I'm doing this so you guys can see exactly what you're going to do so that you can bring these pages up inside of your Leads Leak members area account. So after I named it capture page test, I'm going to add new. And of course, once I do that, guys, the page will come up. It'll let me know that I just added that page, as you guys can see. And then you'll be able to scroll down to add a new page to start. And that's what you're going to click. Now we're going to take that share code. Remember the share codes. We're going to go back to that page where the share code was. We're going to copy the share code out. We're going to copy and paste it. We're going to go back to our Leads Leak members area. And we're going to paste that right there. And we're going to tell the system to import now. Once that's happened, guys, you'll see, if you look here, there are two URLs. I'm a pro. Mine would be the one at the bottom. If you're not pro, yours would be the one at the top. And if you come over to the right where it says status, it says active. If it didn't say active, it would say inactive. You would simply click it, make the page active. Let's test and see if we have, in fact, successfully imported the lead capture page into our Leads Leak members area. And we have, guys. And it's just that simple when it comes to setting up the actual bridge page. And we're going to do the exact same thing, following the exact same steps in setting up our actual bridge page. This page right here, right? So I want you guys to go back into your page builder again, guys. We're going to add a new campaign. That was the capture page test. So this time, let's make it the bridge page test, okay? Because this is the bridge page. You name them what you want to name them. Just make sure you know what they are so you can get to them and you can do whatever you need to do to get this all set up. So we're going to add new. And just like before, guys, the page will actually populate. We know that once it does, we'll get a little drop down here. We have to add a new page to start. We're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go back over to the share codes again, right? That's where we want to go, guys, and pick up that second share code for the actual bridge page. We're going to actually copy it. We can go back to our Leads Leak account. We're going to paste it. We're going to tell the system to import now. The system's going to do it. It's going to let you know when it's done it. And once it has, guys, just like before, you'll see two URLs populating. If you're free, this will be the URL you want to use. If you're not, and you're pro, this will be the URL you want to use. Let's click and see if we have, in fact, successfully imported the thank you page into our Leads Leak members area. And my computer's a little slow, but yes, guys, we have, in fact, imported both pages now. And that means now, guys, we can go inside of our editor, which I'm going to show you guys in the next segment of this video, and we can edit these pages out. Now, there's only a few very little editing that you have to do. We're going to make this actual link, your Leads Leak affiliate link, and that's pretty much it, guys. You want to put your bonus primary biz op in here. You can edit that out, and of course, you'll be coming to the very bottom of the page if you want to put your picture, and you can put anything else you want down there. We know that's a great way to start branding yourself right at the door as we actually launch the actual funnel. So I'll meet you guys in the next segment of this video. We'll close out. We'll talk about how to start generating traffic right now today and getting us all launched and set up.